Welcome back, everyone. I'm David, and today we're talking about one of the most requested topics in the world, how to speak English fluently and confidently.
And I'm Lily. And trust me, fluency is not difficult. It's not about memorizing 10,000 words. It's about strategy, consistency, and the right habits.
Please, don't forget to subscribe to our channel in order to support us help other people with this video, and let you comment about what you think of learning English with podcasts. Part 1. The biggest myth about fluency. Let's start with a wrong idea I hear every single day. I can't speak fluently because my vocabulary is too small.
Wrong. You don't need big vocabulary. You need useful vocabulary. Fluent speakers don't know every word. They know how to use the words they already have.
Exactly. Think about native speakers. Ask them what floxinosinihilipification means. They have no idea, but they still speak confidently.
So, the rule is simple. Master 1,000 useful words, not 10,000 random ones.
Part 2. Confidence comes before fluency.
People think they must be fluent before they feel confident. But the truth is, you only become fluent because you practice speaking even when you're not ready.
Confidence is like a muscle, you train it. You must not wait for the perfect moment, perfect grammar, perfect accent. Guess what? You just need to start speaking.
Here's a simple confidence hack. Speak for 5 minutes a day, out loud, even if you're alone. Talk to your mirror. Talk to your friend. You're training your brain to produce English without pressure.
Part 3. Think in English, but not the way you imagine. Everyone says, think in English, but nobody explains how.
So here's the secret. Start mini thinking. Don't try to think full sentences at first. Think labels. Do you say cup, door, lunch? I'm glad. Let's go.
Once mini-thinking becomes natural, then you expand. I need coffee. I'm going to have lunch. I open the door for you.
Thinking in English is not about perfection. It's about frequency.
Part 4. Stop translating word by word. Translating word by word doesn't help your fluency. English doesn't follow other language structure.
For example, in English, we say, make a decision, not take a decision. Take a shower, not do a shower.
So, learn chunks, not words. Chunks are natural combinations of words used by native speakers.
Here are 5 chunks to use today. 1. I'll take care of it. 2. By the way. 3. At the end of the day. 4. Let me think for a second. 5. You know what I mean?
Memorize these and boom, instant fluency upgrade. Part 5. Practice with real English, not textbook English.
Let me say something valuable. Textbook English is not what real people use to be fluent.
Native speakers don't walk around saying, "I would like to inquire about the availability of your establishment."
Now, they say, "Hey, is this open? Do you have a table? Is this seat taken?"
So practice with real sources: YouTube, podcasts, TikTok, games, TV shows.
But here's the key. Pause and repeat.
Part 6. The Fluency Formula. Simple but powerful.
Okay, let's give them the exact formula. Here it is. Input, output, feedback, repeat.
Input equals listening and reading. Output equals speaking. Feedback equals correcting your mistakes. Repeat equals doing it every day.
Take every step to progress. Most learners only have input. They watch videos but don't speak.
And that's like buying gym clothes and never going to the gym. Part 7. Accent. Do you need to sound native?
Short answer, no. You just need to be understood.
Your accent tells your story. It shows where you're from. You don't need to delete it, you just need clarity.
And clarity comes from just 4 things. 1. Word stress. 2. Sentence stress. 3. Rhythm. 4. Linking sounds.
If you learn these, your English will sound 10 times more natural without trying to imitate anyone. Part 8. Daily Routine to Become Fluent in 3 months.
Here's a simple routine you can start today. 1. Listen 10 minutes. Podcast, YouTube, anything you like. 2. Repeat 5 minutes. Shadow what you hear. Copy the rhythm. 3. Speak 5 minutes. Talk about your day, your plans, your ideas. 4. Learn 3 chunks, not words, chunks. 5. Celebrate the progress, because fluency comes from consistency.
Final message. If there's one thing we want you to remember from this episode, it's this. Fluency is built, not born.
And you already have everything you need to become confident. The only thing you need is starting.
So start today, even if it's just one sentence.
Thanks for being here, and we hope you learned something powerful today.
Stay confident, keep practicing,
And keep speaking English.